In this tip, I'm going to show you how to implement the technique of proportional brushing using a set action. So proportional brushing is a technique by where you click on a dimension in one chart and it shows you the proportion of that dimension in another chart. For example, if I click on Home Office, I can see the proportion that Home Office makes up of the sales for each year. I click on Home Office again, and my sales for each year now just represents the total. To get started, I've already created two charts. One is sales by segment, and one is sales by region. Back in the example, I chose year down here at the bottom, but the dimension doesn't really matter. On my sales by segment sheet, I'm going to right-click on segment and create a set. I'm just going to leave it named segment set and choose one of them just to see what happens. I'm choosing segment. I'm creating my set based on segment because that's the one that's going to trigger the action onto the region. Let's drag segment set onto color, and we could see that consumer is the one that's checked, therefore it's in blue. If we go to the sales by region sheet, we can drag segment set onto the color there. And now we can see those that are in the segment, so corporate, make up this proportion of the sales for each region. Now I like the items that are in my set to be on the left-hand side of the bars, so I'm just going to rearrange the out and the in. Let's turn on the labels on both charts. From here we need to set up our dashboard. I'm going to drag sales by segment into the view, and I'm going to drag sales by region into the view. From here I need to set up my set action. I'm going to click on Dashboard from the menu and then Actions. I'm going to add a Change Set Values action. Let's call it Update Segment Set. The source sheet is going to be sales by segment. I want to run the action when they click on something, so we want to use Select. The target set we're going to update is our segment set. The action will run when they click on something, and we want that to assign that value to the set. And then when they click off that item, we want to remove all values from the set. Click OK, and click OK again. So now when I click on corporate, we can see the proportion that corporate makes up of each region. If I click on corporate again, the sales by region goes back to the total. But notice when I click on a segment at the top, the corporate and home office now become faded out. To get rid of that, we're going to use a technique that removes the highlighting. So let's go back to our segment sheet and create another calculated field. I'm going to call it dummy, and it needs to just have some type of string. Let's drag that onto the detail shelf of the sales by segment sheet. Let's go back to our dashboard, and from the menu choose Dashboard, Actions, and this time we're going to click on Add Action and Highlight. I'm going to name this Remove Highlight. My source sheet is my sales by segment. I want to run the action when they click on something, so I'm going to choose Select. My target sheet is only my sales by segment. And the trick is down here in the target highlighting. I'm going to choose Selected Fields and then Dummy. So what this means is every time I click on a bar, it's going to highlight Dummy. Let's click on OK. Click on OK again, and now if I click on Corporate, notice how Consumer and Home Office do not get grayed out this time. And that's all there is to it. Have a good day.